we can talk properly on video call while looking each other's face.
Okay, so after so long we're connecting. Where are you going? I think you are just roaming here and there.
Yes, yes, it is my style of making video. That's why always I roam when I talk with people. So when I saw your message before a while, I wanted to talk with you, but that time you were busy, I think. So you said me to talk at 4 p.m. Then I got ready suddenly, and I think you sent me message at 3:58 p.m. So that time, I was watching my mobile. So then when I came to know about it, that one girl wanted to talk with me, and she told me at 4 p.m. So I got ready suddenly, and then I came here, and then I got you and called you, and you called me like when I send you, I'm free like that. Are you free like that? So then you saw.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. You are completely energized, full of enthusiasm for session, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
That's great, wonderful. And how everything is going on in your end? Actually, we have connected so long back, right? I think 1 or 2 years back. I'm not pretty sure. So how everything is going on, like your channel, your study.
Everything is going on well in my area. But you told that we are connecting 2 times. But I don't think that we are connecting 2 times. I think we are meeting first time like that, I think. But we had connected, I think. But I'm not remembering that when we had connected first time. But I think about, first time we are connecting now. Like we are connecting first time like that.
No, we have connected. Maybe you forget, but I remember
Oh,
so well.
I think but I forgot. I had forgotten, when we had connected. So I think after a long time we are connecting, second times it means. So I have forgotten about your introduction. I don't know where are you from because I forgot. But if I will watch your video again, I will come to know. But I think I will have to find difficulties to find your video in which video I took session. So now please give your introduction so that I can know about you.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. So as you can see, my name is on the screen. So Sakshi Chauhan, and I am speaking from Gwalior, MP. I born and brought up here. Now I have completed my master's, or I'm a PhD scholar. Yeah, that's all about me.
Yes, yes, yes. Really, I got happy by listening your introduction. So really great. You are from UP, you told, right?
I'm from MP.
MP, Madhya Pradesh, right? Yes, yes.
Right.
So do you know about my introduction? Because I think you know because I'm viral. Because you have been remembering about my introduction for a long time.
Yes, yes. Actually, I forgot the name of that village, but I remember like your name. You are studying. You are in school, right?
Yes, yes.
Hmm. So, in which standard now you are?
I mean 10 is standard you can consider. Now currently I study in 10 class. I got,
Okay.
I passed. I broke through the exam of 9 class, then I passed 10 class. So currently I'm in 10 class, you can consider. I am a student of 10 class and I study in 10 class. I will give exam around in 2026 around, what will I say, like final examination, you can consider examination. And then I will pass, then I will go to the college, I will go for college, I will study in college that I want also. That's why nowadays I am working hard so that I can get good mark at every subject and I can pass well properly that I want.
Mm-hmm. That's great. That's great. So, have you started your study yet?
Yes,
Or
started study, you can consider, because I think I think if I will not study then I can't learn, I can't get good mark. That's why I study every day and I made my timetable. But I'm not sharing my timetable because a lot of people asked me about my timetable. Please tell me at what time do you do this? At what time you learn English? At what time do you speak English? At what time do you talk with people? What's your routine like that? Timetable like that. Everyone asked me so far. I think mostly people asked me, those who watch my video, keep watching my video. They have question about me because in many conversation video I told about timetable that I made, but I didn't tell about my timetable at what time, what I do. What do I do like that? I didn't tell. I didn't tell anyone. Yes.
Mhm. Yeah, of course, that is completely your stuff, your personal stuff, wherever you want to do and at which time would you do, that completely depends on you. But still I want to know, because as you're from village, so and did you join any coaching, or usually what are some activities that you do apart from your study?
Yes, apart from my study, if I talk about, I do lots of work. I am teaching students. I teach students also. That is different work besides being a student. I work. I am a student also. I am teacher also in my village. I am teaching some students of 5, 6 class around. They come to my home for learning English. So I teach them, help them for learning English, reading English, pronunciation, everything. So nowadays, completely regarding English spoken course, I'm teaching them and they learn from me and they give me money, but I don't take too much, but I take rather well, you can consider, because it is my duty and style of taking money from them, because I think that they are poor family, they are poor, from my village, you can consider. So that's why they can't give too much money, so I want only less money. If they will give me, already I discussed how much money do they give, like that, and they give that much enough for me.
Right, right. And it's not about that you are poor only then you are getting money. It's your right, because you are teaching them. You should ask for money and you should get money. Everybody is doing it. Because in this
Yes,
world, that is difficult. I mean, we have to work on our financial things also. If we are teaching somebody, I mean, sometime if those anyone who is who doesn't have a sufficient money, then you can help them. But rest of the time, if you are, it's completely your part-time work, it's completely your job kind of, you can consider it. So you should charge some, that will
yes,
keep you motivated.
yes.
Yes.
Really, I charge from them, but they are also poor poor person, you can consider. They are also poor students. So all of them, they give me because they want to learn English. They are crazy about learning English. By looking me, they got motivation. They watch my video. When they are shown my video by their parents, suddenly their parents will say to them, please go to Jadu, that he will teach you English. Please go to Jadu's home, then he can speak English better than you all, so he can give you all better knowledge of English, and then you can go like that. So they come to me every day, at 6 p.m., and I teach them up to 2 hours. Also, my study, if I talk about my study time, is different, so in that time I study, and at what time, I have to teach students, I teach them at that time. Yes.
Okay, so as you are recording a video and everything, I mean, you are running also your channel. So everybody are aware from this in your family, in your village, or they don't know about that, or what is
Yes,
your reaction? You know.
everyone in my village know about me. Everyone knows me very well. You can consider not only the people of my area, in which area I live. Ask many states. I think in India, I think almost from all states, the people know me. Also from my, if I talk about districts, I think in Jharkhand, can be 24 districts, So from all districts, people know me and call me so far. And I took many sessions with the people from all districts of Jharkhand state, and really they took with me great session, and really they speak good English, I can consider. But some people are not so fluent. Also, they manage some by talking, Now I help them also, because I think that, if any people want, if someone wants help from me, suppose he's from my village, so definitely he can be helped by me, because I think that, we should help everyone, not only the people of my area, but I think if other will call me, so I will definitely help them, because I think that if I will help him, that he can get help from me and can do what I do, like that, right? Yes.
That's true. Absolutely right. If you help
Yes.
them, definitely somewhere you will also get some good things, right? That's
Really,
great.
yes. Really, yes.
Mhm. So nobody is in this field. I mean, or that is quite. So it is only just because it's daytime, or normally. And which area is this? If you can tell me,
Oh. About
where
which
you
area have you asked? About which area have you asked?
where are you are roaming right now?
Right
Behind
now,
you, like.
I'm quite near to my village. I'm quite near to my village, and this is field area where people keep growing different types of grains in this field. So there I am, But if I talk about this time, as many grains were, in this field, all was harvested already. So now they took that all at, their home, Now they are winnowing, you can consider. In my area, Mahua is very popular. Do you know Mahua?
I heard it. Never visited, but I heard.
Yes. Mahua, one fruit you can consider. I think by using that people make, daru, alcohol you can consider. In my area, that is very, every day people keep going to the forest for picking dead, and they sell dead in the market. And according to 1 kilo, you can get 45 rupee. Like if you will sell 1 kilo, which is called mahua by, like by getting drought, you can consider. So first of all, they will dry that, they will dry, in any open place they will take that, there they will put, one by one, according to in which they will put, and they will dry that, and then after getting dried, then after getting dried dried, you can consider they will take to the market and will get 45 rupee 1 kg, like that. So I think that is very expensive for, people in my area. So nowadays, due to that, they buy something or the other in my area. So it happens in village area mostly. People like they make their living by selling different kinds of things. Whatever they get, suppose now they have harvested, whatever they had grown in, whatever they were growing in the field. Now by some people will be selling that and getting money instead of that. So that's the reason. And nowadays mahua is getting in the forest. So they dry that and they sell in the market. So according to season, we I think we get different kinds of thing, right? Now it is season of mango also. We can get mango, right?
Mhm. Exactly.
Really?
That's it.
Yes.
Mhm. So, what are your fun activities, or how do you entertain yourself? Because in village we have plenty of things. There are so many people. They are so magnanimous, where they are so connected with each other. So, especially, what are your favorite activity that you like to do in your village?
Yes, yes. If I talk about my village, what do I like to do? So if I talk about in free time, actually I don't want to waste my time. Mostly I don't like wasting my time. But in my area, lots of children, students, they study in school around, 90% of students in my area keep wasting their time. Some students will go to other place, other village for playing football, waste their time, walking all the time, here and there without any meaning, if they don't have work all the same, without like at what time they have to learn something, or or the other like good thing, in that time they will waste their time. So I don't like wasting my time. So in time, I do everything because of having to go according to my timetable, like that you can consider. So very well, if you want to get success, you have to keep your timetable, right? So actually you can do any work in time because you have time, you know very well about your time, that at this time you have to study speaking English, you have to start, doing this job, like that. So according to that, right? So that's why nowadays according to timetable I do, and suppose my time is after 3 p.m, like I should start talking with people, so suddenly I connected with you, like that. After 5 p.m, 6 p.m, I will not get time because I will have to teach students. That's why I keep managing my time according to my timetable, that at what time what I can do, right?
Mhm.
Yes.
Exactly. You utilize your each and every single moment. You do not waste time. Is it?
Really, really you can consider. Yes, really. So tell me one thing, that when had you connected with me first time? I'm not remembering the day when you had connected with me first time.
Exactly. I also don't remember, but yes, I remember that I have connected with you very well.
Oh, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Because in my
Me,
channel lots of people took session with me. So I think some people I can recognize easily. Before while one teacher had called me, is from I think UP, like that, and I recognized her easily, because I think in her video I got lots of views, that's why I recognized her, I think. But in our video I don't know how many views, how many views did I get in that video, but I will check. Yes, I will check. I haven't checked that video, but I will check and then I will send you. Yes, if you haven't watched. So
yeah, definitely, definitely. I will also check our video, and if I get that, definitely I'll share with you.
yes.
Okay, so
So did you check
just
it? Yes. Yes, yes. What?
Mhm. Yeah, you were asking. Please finish
Yes.
that.
Yes. Okay, okay, okay. I will ask. So tell me, one YouTuber is very famous in this field. Is English with Dihati Madam. So did you take session with her?
Yes, twice. I took
Really,
session with
you?
her too.
Yes, yes. I also took session with her because he is a good motivator to English learners. Because nowadays lots of learners are going to start learning English. For them she is great girl. You can great woman you can consider. So nowadays she motivates lots of students. Also to Just Talk she went. She went to the Just Talk to give about her story and motivate students, people there, were people, in the room, they were listening. Really, that kinds of video I like to watch, and mostly I, follow one channel also, which is called Just Talk English Spoken channel. So there I keep hearing their story, how did they get it? Suppose one person became IS officer from village area. So what types of thing did he do? Then he became an IS officer. What types of process does he have like that, and what did he do in his life that he could become that? So every day I keep on watching that kinds of video. And I think that, I will get motivation. I will also become strong to do that, right? Nowadays, I think I know about some people are doing like that, Suppose whatever one person will start learning English, and one day he will not be able to speak English. So he will think that, I should give up because I can't speak English. But he will not think that, only by learning in one day, I can't speak English. He will not think like that. He will think that, in one day I should learn English. But I can say it is not possible to learn English in one day. It will take more than 6 months also if you wanna become completely fluent in English, So that's the reason you should not give up. You should continue to learn English. Then you will become good speaker, right? So everyone is given like that motivation by me, And really I keep giving motivation when I go to other school, because in Jharkhand, I went to lots of school there, motivate students, and there I motivated lots of students, And I told them about that also, about which I told now, that don't waste your time, like use your mobile in good way as I used like that. So many students know about me very well that Jadu had come here, and lots of video, I uploaded regarding that also. I think you have watched and got viral. I think 80,000 views I got in that video when I was giving a speech there. Actually, I gave lots of speech there, but I didn't record that video. Otherwise, I would upload that video on my channel where I was, in which institute, I was teaching students like that. Like that. I was invited as teacher like that. Yes.
Oh, great, wonderful, wonderful. You are really, I would say you would have from 10% really, and you of your thing. So I totally appreciate you.
Okay. So,
Okay.
I think we will end up or we will continue.
Yes, we can wrap up. Actually, I have also somewhere. So we'll connect next
Actually,
time.
we can talk anytime, because I am free. Do you know about the end of Skype? I think Skype is getting ended and ending, after 5 May. I think, do you know?
Yeah, yeah, I
So,
know.
yes, you can join on Teams. Microsoft Teams, you have to create an account. There you can join our group where we have created a new group, because after maybe you can't use Skype. So everyone is
Yes.
going to migrate, in this one application, which is called, Teams you can consider. So there I am also, and lots of people are creating account and they are available there, getting available. So you can join. Yes.
Connect.
Easily. Okay.
Okay.
Okay
Thank
then.
you.
Okay.